I've not hit the gym, but I know showing up matters.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. और मेरे को एक हफ्ता हो गया है. I've not hit the gym, but I know showing up matters. Showing up matters no matter what. And it's been one entire week. Actually, I've just taken a break because I thought my body needed a little bit of rest. But ये तो too much. ये vacation हो गया है मेरे body के लिए. And yeah, I'll be starting soon. Also, I got some hip injuries, so also because of that, I'm not being able to do. Maybe I have to show it to the doctor because वो ठीक ही नहीं हो पा रहा है. It's like the internal injury, and I have to show it to the doctor before it gets too serious. So देखते हैं. Also, I was saying, भाई साहब, suddenly before 3-4 days इतना धूप नहीं हुआ करता था. It was so cold and literally I used to wear sweater and now it's just like so hot and your summer t-shirts are out and there's like a change in, you know, the whole wardrobe. Before used to wear sweaters and it's so good, no, the season changing, then winter coming, then summer. Like क्या है ये? Like who has made it? Like who is the creator? Who is the creator? Like how did he design everything so smoothly, so subtle way, so everything on time? And don't doubt, I think you shouldn't be doubting his timings because if इतना बड़ा बड़ा चीज़ हो रहा है with time and there's specific, you know, timeline to every season, you know, every fall and whatever you see around yourself, there's timing to everything. So there's timing to you because you have also been created by the creator himself, and don't doubt it. So whatever happens, it will happen with time. And yeah, my hair is hairing, so I will. Yeah, also I've changed my shampoo and I think I got my one go-to hair care products. Put it down in the description so you guys also can check it out. It's genuinely nice and I I don't know, I feel it so good. I feel like this had, where was this all the time? Like I would have been struggling throughout this, like which shampoo should I use, and I have tried multiple products which I shouldn't be. Finally I got the product which is suitable for my hair, and I feel like people say it's not related to the shampoo, it's related to what you eat. So I'm taking a proper fantastic diet. Still I had all the rough hair, so maybe a little bit of conditioning, a little bit of protein that was required for the hair. So yeah, I will let you know. I'm using this shampoo Nexus. It's done a fabulous job with my hair, and I don't know, I feel so good having found the product. My sister advised this product, and I was really not going to trust because so many products I had tried in between, and all that I got was a bad result. So she told me, this is the last one, just try it out. If it does not work, I am not going to advise, or I'm not going to, you know, be concerned about it. So basically you have to go to a doctor or go to the therapist who will check on your hair or something. So this is one go-to, and yeah, it's fabulous. And this is the conditioner. That is, it's not a conditioner, it's like a spa cream that you put after shampoo and you wash it and rinse it off. So I'm using this two product for my hair. My hair, it is giving, it is just a genuine, you know, advice. It's just a genuine thing. If your hair is frizzy, if your hair is damaged, and if your hair is, you know, not giving the best possible result, even though you're eating all the, you know, product that is required, you can use this, try out this product. Little expensive, but yeah, if it suits your hair, you can invest a little bit of amount. And yeah, so that's that. Also, यहाँ पे, like, I'm staying in my village right now, so mom is, I'll show you what she did. So my mom is actually making this. I know so many of you guys will know ये क्या है, तो अब बताएंगे क्या है ये।
खिलौड़ी है चावल का।
चावल का। तो ये कैसे खाते हैं? ऐसे ही खा लेते धूप के बाद?
नहीं नहीं, फिर इसको तेल में फ्राई होगा, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा काली मिर्च नमक डालकर।
ओ, तो ये बना है आज ऑल्सो। अब जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, मैंने कल दिखाया था अपने व्लॉग में, गेहूं का सीज़न आ गया है। सो तो हम क्या करते हैं, वी टेक द गेहूं फ्रॉम द खेत and फिर we bring it to our house. We wash it एकदम nicely and we take out all the unwanted things that is there, and then we dry it in the hot sun that you can see right now. This is the exact weather जहाँ पे गेहूँ धुलता है. It is all like kept to dry, and then when it becomes crunchy and roasted by the sunlight, it goes to the mill, and mill में वो चक्की जैसे पीसते हैं. चक्की नहीं पीसते, they have a machine, but yeah, so वो पीस कर फिर लाते हैं, और and then we eat roti out of that. So this is the entire process. It feels great. The taste is different. Everything is so different. If you take the ready-made atta that is there in the plastic, and if you eat this, it's the complete different taste you'll have. And yeah, that's it. बहुत ही धूप हो रहा है, and I'm feeling good because after a long winter season, you know, it's finally turning back to summer. It's not so hot. I'm not sweating because it just airy. It's not so hot in like June and July. Like even if I sit in June, July here, I'll start sweating and stuff. But अभी उतना गर्मी आया नहीं है. It's just the sun. And yeah, you can see that was that. And I will see you in next vlog. I just wanted to show you guys आज मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. So this is the thing. I just came up to sit in the sun, and yeah, that's it. I am going to do my work. I have a lot of pending works to complete, and yeah, I feel so good. Like, you have so many things to do now all at once, and you feel good. Like, okay, after long vacation, after literally an year of, you know, healing and taking all in, accepting what has to happen will happen, you finally back to work, and you know, it's all coming back to back, it's all piled up, and you're trying to finish it one by one. Let's go on. It's good to be busy, and you're privileged that you have things to do in life, because people people are there out there who does not have work to do, and who, you know, who asks for, you know, work. So they really want to do work, but they don't get any work. Bye bye.